Hey lettering lovers, Holly here from Holly Pixels. I'm so happy that you're here taking the iPad brush lettering course with me here on my YouTube channel. This course is actually broken down into multiple videos, and I've placed them into a playlist that makes it super easy to locate all of the videos, watch them in order, or find something that just matters to you. So before you get started, I invite you to join my Facebook group. The Letter Pixels Facebook group is going to allow you to get support from other artists as well as myself. The link to that group is down below. But Holly, why are you teaching this course for free? Well, look, I know I can't take all of this knowledge with me. And besides, I see so many people out there wanting to learn the trade, wanting to learn the skill of brush lettering on their iPad Pros. There's so much information out there free already. I mean, just go on Pinterest and you can find it. But why not take everything that I've learned, that I've discovered, and that I have actually mastered, and put it all together in one location so it's super easy for you to find? That's my goal. Also, I have a companion workbook for sale over at hollypixels.com. And this workbook contains a PDF file that has all of the information that I've covered for you in this course, but it also has Procreate files that are practice guides. You can actually place them in your Procreate app and start tracing over my own lettering style. The brush that I'm using in this course is my free Durango brush. You can get it over at hollypixels.com if you haven't already. You don't need the workbook. You don't need the brush. You can use anything you want. Just follow along in my videos and practice and improve your style. But what if I don't have an iPad Pro? So you may be able to use the Procreate app with the iPad that you have. You're going to want to go to the Procreate app website. Look up their FAQ. They have information there regarding compatibility with different styluses, as well as the iOS system you should be using in order for it to work on your iPad. Unfortunately, I can't answer your question regarding other devices besides the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil, and unfortunately, it doesn't work with Android. So what are we going to learn in this course? Well, I'm going to take you through the basic supplies, obviously. I'm going to show you how to install your brush in Procreate. Then I'm going to walk you through how to hold your Apple Pencil and how to get used to the pressure that you're supposed to apply to form gorgeous letters. And then we're going to go over the basic strokes to help you form beautiful brush lettering. And together we'll go through the alphabet, capital letters, lowercase letters, symbols, numbers, words, and then finally we'll go into flourishing and bounce lettering. I think you're going to really love those. Towards the end, we're going to do 3 projects together, and I'm going to walk you through each of those projects so you can learn a few techniques that I may not have already taught before, and certainly apply anything that you learned to the other tutorials I have on my channel. And the bonus is that I'm going to show you my process for vectoring letters in Adobe Illustrator. If you're looking to have a lettering career as a professional, you're going to need to provide professional vectored artwork to your clients, and this is going to help you do just that. So I look forward to having you in my course. Again, make sure you join the Facebook group, follow me on Instagram at hollypixels, and use the hashtag letterpixels when identifying your work that you're doing in the course. I can't wait to see what you do, and I can't wait to get to know you.